As per Merriam-Webster Dictionary, vision is the act or power of seeing. As per dictionary.com, a vision is the ability to think about or plan the future with imagination or wisdom. In a clearly defined vision, you will truly see what you become in the future. You can create a short, mid-term, or long-term vision. Now, how long is a short, mid-term, or long-term? It's really not written in the stone and is up to you to decide. You can and should create a 3 to 6 months vision, 1 year vision, 5-year vision, 10-year vision. And you should adjust the vision as you go through life. You know, very few of us have a clear vision for the rest of our lives, especially in a younger age. So if you are one of those few people who have clear long-term vision, I want to congratulate you. Let me ask you a question. Do you have your own vision and vision statement? If the answer to this question is yes, that's great. In that case, I would like to ask you to please share it in the Q&A section of this program. If you do not have your vision clearly stated, no worries at all. We will work on helping you create your personal vision. But before we start working on your vision, let me give you a quick assignment.